Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ake Candy Kitchen. Today's video, I want to make buttered carrots and French beans. For those who are new, welcome. Watch other videos and remember to subscribe. For those who are subscribed, thank you so much for supporting me. So I've just peeled the carrot and then I've tailed my French beans. This is how we tail the French beans. As you can see, I was tailing the others. We use our hands, so you just cut this part and this part. Just here with your fingers. You use your hands, don't use knife like that. And then I'm going to, so I'll do all this like that, and then I'm going to cut them into julienne. Julienne is strips, thin strips, but for these ones I'm not going to cut. So for French beans, I'm just going to divide them into two. See the way it is, the length, so I'm going to cut it into two. But for the carrots, I'm going to cut them into half, and then I'll slice them. I'll make sure they are almost the same size as the French beans so that they can cook well. So I'm boiling my water for blanching them first. And remember, we said when you are preparing your vegetables, you blanch them, don't boil them, don't cook them in a lot of water. Just use a minimal water. So I'm boiling my water here, so I'm going to add a bit of salt, and then after I cut I can either start with any. We cook them differently because they take different time to be ready. So I've just divided them, see, just half, the half piece. So I'm going to now put them into my boiling water for just like 2 minutes. Then I refresh them, that is passing through a cold water. Then I'll do the same with the carrots, but see for the carrots how they look like there. So I'm going to cut it into half, and then I'll slice. I will cut into julienne, thin long strips. So I've dipped them into my boiled water now. So now I want to cut the carrot into julienne shape. Divide them first like that, and then now you cut into strips. See now, like for this one, it becomes so easy for me to cut into strips. So you cut like this, like that. So this recipe is so easy to prepare. If you don't have the butter, you can use cooking oil or even the margarine. And I'm sure carrots are not expensive, and the French beans, yeah. So I'm going to cut like this. So I'm done with cutting them to julienne. You can see the fine strips, julienne cut. And then these ones I've already refreshed them. Nimezitoa kwa moto nikapitisha kwa maji baridi, kaeka hapo. Blanching the carrots. So I've refreshed the carrots also, and then I've mixed in the same bowl. Now I'm going to melt margarine butter, and then I'll toss my vegetables and I'll be done. That's the starch that I'm going to use. I'm using the same saucepan, so I'm going to add in my margarine, my butter. Sorry, nimezoea margarine hadi I branched my vegetables in a salted water, so I'm not going to add any more salt, considering this is a salted butter, so I'll not add more of the salt. So that's it. If you have parsley, you can add, but I don't have, so I'm going just to serve it like that. Can you see it is well buttered? Then with the butter, at least it gives it a nice taste, a different taste. So guys, thank you so much for watching my recipe. Also, I want to thank those who try out my recipes and DM me. Thank you so much. Be blessed. Till next video. Bye bye.